In this video, I'm going to share with you a super simple combo that combines 4 fundamental fire knife moves together. If you're new to the channel, my name is Luke Embers and I'm a fire knife dancer in Chicago. For the past year or so, I've been slowly sharing tutorials on how to do basic fire knife moves so that it can help newcomers get started with the art of Siva Afi. Now with all of these moves, I wanted to provide you guys a way to combine them all together and to start creating your own fire knife routine. We'll be combining these 4 moves into a super smooth combo that has easy transitions and that any beginner can learn. This video I'd also like to dedicate to one of my subscribers, Eben from Namibia, Africa. Shout out to you, Eben, for watching my videos. Now, with that said, let's jump right in. Now, the combo I'm going to be teaching you guys today is called the 4-1 combo, and it combines 4 different moves together. Those 4 moves are KAKAI, or TICK-TOCK, which goes like this. We have the VILI LIMA Lua, or the 2-hand spin, which goes like this. We have VILI Kua, also known as Around the World, which goes like this. And then finally, we have the VILI LIMA TASI, which is the 1-hand spin, which goes like this. Now, the reason why this is called the 4-1 combo is because we're going to do 4 reps of one move, 3 reps of another, 2 reps of one, and 1 move of another. Now, let's break it down. All right, so the 4-1 combo, again, consists of 4 fundamental fire knife moves that I've shared across my YouTube channel thus far. If you haven't seen any of those tutorials or don't know how to do any of these moves, I highly suggest that you do that beforehand so that you can execute this properly. The link to those tutorials will be in the description below. The first move that is going to be in this combo is KAKAI, also known as TICK-TOCK. And you're going to start off with doing 4 TICK-TOCK starting on your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that 4th KAKAI, your fire knife is going to be in the position ready to grab overhand, like that, to do 3 VILI LIMA Lua, or 3 2-hand spins, which goes like this. 1, 2, 3. So just to reiterate, you're going to do 4 KAKAI, 1, 2, 3, 4. And from there, after the 4th one, you're going to overgrip it and do 3 VILI LIMA Luas. 1, 2, 3. Let's try it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, grip, 1, 2, 3, just like that. From here, you're going to overgrip it again, and you're going to do 2 VILI Kuas, also known as Around the World. And you're going to bring the fire knife over to your right, behind your back, to the left, over, back, grab it again, spin to the right, behind your back, bring it to the left, and overgrip again on your right hand. Let me repeat that. So after you do your 3 VILI LIMA Lua, 2, 3, you're going to overgrip it, continue the momentum to your right side, bring it around the back, and then over. That's your first VILI Kua, and then you're going to bring it back again, around, and there's your second VILI Kua. So from the beginning, we're going to do 4 KAKAI, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to do 3 VILI LIMA Lua, 1, 2, 3, and after that 3rd one, you're going to grab it and do 2 VILI Kua around your back, just like that. And then finally, after that 2nd VILI Kua, you're going to do a VILI LIMA TASI to finish the combo, and it's just 1, just like that. Got it? Let's do that all over again, nice and slow. Again, you're going to do 4 KAKAI, 3 VILI LIMA Lua, 2 VILI Kua, and 1 VILI LIMA TASI. All right, 4 KAKAI, 2, 3, 4, 3 VILI LIMA Lua, 3, 2 VILI Kua on the back, again, then 1 VILI LIMA TASI. Again, the important thing is making sure that you move the fire knife over so that you can grip it the correct way for the next move. So for example, again, your KAKAI, you're going to do that 4, 2, 3, 4, make sure that it's over grip, the head being on the left side and the butt end being on the right. And then you're going to transition it to the VILI LIMA Lua. You do that 3 times. After that last VILI LIMA Lua, where you turn your hand over like that, you're going to overgrip it again, and then you're going to go straight into your VILI Kua. Just like that. And then finally, you're going to go in, make sure that that VILI Kua, you're rotating that left hand all the way around so that you can overgrip the fire knife again on the correct side, with the head being on the left and the butt end being on the right. And then all you do is your VILI LIMA TASI, just like that. Let's do one last time. We're gonna do 4 KAKAI, 1, 2, 3, 4, and after that fourth one, you're gonna do 3 VILI LIMA LUA, 3. After that 3, you're gonna do the 2 VILI KUA around the back, second one. Then finally, you're gonna bring it around, over grip it with your right hand, and then do 1 VILI LIMA TASI, just like that. And that is how you do the 4-1 combo. So now that we've broken down the combo together, here's what it looks like up to speed. So there's really one extra move in order to repeat this combo, and that's by doing an extra VILI LIMA LUA or 2-hand spin after the 1-hand spin. After you do your 2 VILI KUAs round and then your 1 VILI LIMA TASI, which is the 1-hand spin, after you catch it, you're gonna continue the motion and do 1 more VILI LIMA LUA so that you can prepare for the KAKAI and start over. Because again, you want that KAKAI to be an undergrip on your right hand so that you can start over and continue the combo a second time. Just like that. So here's a slow-mo of that transition. Hopefully you caught that. Again, it's kind of like a hidden VILI LIMA LUA or 2-hand spin after that 1-hand spin, just so that you can start over and get the butt end of your practice fire knife onto that right side so that you can start over with the KAKAI. Continue to practice that so you can get smoother and build more reps with the combo. Start off slow and then transition to the next move, just like that. At first, you're likely going to be a little bit awkward and try to figure out the transitioning, but again, as long as you keep practicing, that combo will be smooth, and eventually you can add more speed to it so that it looks a lot more impressive. And if you haven't already, drop your email through the link in the description below to receive my free beginner's guide to Siva Afi, also known as the Samoan fire knife dance. And with that said, folks, that's all I got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like always, be what remains, and I'll see you next time. Peace.